Do you know that you can use your crypto to buy things online? Like you can use your crypto to book flights, you can use your crypto to do anything you want to do on the internet. Like you can use it to pay for VO3, you can use it to pay for ChatGPT, you can use it. You don't need to like first withdraw it to your bank account before you use it to, fund a card to make payments. Like you can withdraw your crypto. Let's say you can withdraw your BTC, you can withdraw your USDT direct to a USD card and use it and book your flight, pay for anything on eBay, shop anything on any website at all in the world. It's very easy. That's what I'm going to be showing you in this video, how you can withdraw your crypto to a USD card that you can use to purchase anything at all that you want in Nigeria. No bank restrictions, no unnecessary stress, no stories, and no tax. Because imagine that you withdraw 1,000 USDT and it enters your bank first. Your bank will first charge you, transaction fees. And with the new tax policy in Nigeria, they will also charge you tax before you withdraw it to wherever you want to use it to buy anything. But with this app, with this site, this USD card, I'm going to be introducing to you in this video. You can withdraw from your, let's say, your Binance or from any crypto app that you store your crypto on to a USD card that you can use to purchase anything online, even in Nigeria. And it's so easy to do. I'm going to show you how you can do exactly that in this video. The sweetest part of this site I'm going to be revealing to you in this video, which is spend.net, is that you get this card free of charge. Normally, when you want to get a card online, you pay for it, but with this spend.net, you get to get this card free of charge, and you even earn when you use this card. Whenever you use this card to buy anything online, you get 1% cash back. So in a month, if you buy, let's say, 10 different things on 10 different websites, you get cash back, 1% cash back on each of them. They also have the one where you can get 2% cash back on media purchases, but the one of 1% cash back is only for the card that allows you to shop for anything anywhere, both media purchases, bookings, and so on and so forth. So basically, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about this app step by step in this video. Before we get right into it, it's important that you smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post more educative videos like this one you're about to watch now, YouTube will notify you instantly. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Okafumi Cynthia. On this channel, I talk about make money online, crypto, remote jobs, and anything that you need to make more money for yourself from the comfort of your home. So let's get right into my screen, my laptop, so that I can show you everything that you need to know. To my returning viewers, I did not forget to thank you so much for always watching. I love you, and I see your likes and your support, and they mean so much to me. Thank you so much for always tuning in to watch my videos. I don't take that for granted. So let's get right into it. You can see the website. Okay, this is spend.net, and they issue free debit cards, like I said earlier, with cashback. So you can see here, you get 1% cashback on every purchase, and you also have to get 2% cashback on media purchases. That is, if you get this particular card, you get 1% cashback on any purchase. If you get this particular card, you get 2% cashback on media purchases, on any purchase you make on the media space. Okay, so basically that is it. This site allows you to spend your cash without going through so much stress of withdrawing from your bank. The normal traditional way crypto was designed is that when you want to spend it, somehow you have to take it to your normal traditional bank before you can actually spend it. But it's not like that with this particular spend.net. Okay, so that is what I'm going to be sharing with you here. And it's just like the normal USD cards that you know about. Is issued from the US, and it's secured. You are not going to be scared of losing your money or anything. It's 100% secured. And it's very easy to use. The registration is so fast. All you just have to do is to click on sign up. If you click on sign up, you create your account, you register your profile, verify it, and you click on issue a card, and you're going to get a card that is going to serve your purpose. Okay, so that is it. You can see here, choose your card, 2% virtual up to, okay, so free issuance, no monthly payments, no paperwork, your first card to try. So this is it. You just click on issue cards. So like I said earlier, it's very easy to register and get your card. And the issuance of the card is very easy. All you just have to do is to verify your KYC, okay, and you can top up with USDT, crypto, and some other cryptocurrencies. Okay, so that is it. And they have a very good customer support service that will, attend to your needs if you have any issues, if you encounter any issues using their platform. So basically, that is it. And they also consider small spenders, meaning that they don't charge any percentage for account top up of less than $50. Sometimes, even if they want to charge, they charge it just maybe 2%. Okay, so basically, that is it. You can customize it, you can choose how you want to be charged. When you're topping up, you're going to see the selection there. You click on how you want to be charged, and it's very easy. Like I said, it's very easy. So you can see here, you can use this card to pay for anything. You can use it to pay for ChatGPT. You can use it to buy something on Alibaba, AliExpress, any platform of all that accepts USD cards, actually accept cards from spend.net. It's a very good card that you should, be using if you are a crypto person who have crypto. Okay, you can as well use it to run Facebook ads. You can see you can use it to pay for your Facebook ads, you can use it to pay for your Google ads, you can use it to pay for your TikTok ads. Anything at all that you do with a Visa card, you can use this spend.net card to do it. Okay, so that is it. You can choose your rate, like I said earlier. This is it. You can choose your rate, whether you choose 6% for less than 1,000, 5% for minimum of 1,000, and 3.5% for minimum of 5,000. So you can get to choose the amount that you want. So basically, that is it. Yeah. So tell me, are you going to be trying out this spend.net? Are you going to be creating an account and getting their card? Do you see this as a very interesting opportunity for you to actually spend without being taxed? Let me know in the comment section what you think about this particular spend.net. Are you going to be trying it? I'm going to also put out a link in the comment section that you can use to create accounts on this spend.net and get your cards. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And you can also connect with me outside of YouTube on Facebook, Okafumi Cynthia, on Instagram, Learn with Cynthia. And you can join my Telegram community, Internet World to Cynthia, where I share opportunities that can help you make more money for yourself. If you don't mind, you can as well let me know the country where you are watching from.